Hello everyone, my name is Isaac Nate and I'm very excited to share my capstone project, which is about creating an informative and interactive React-based web application for my nonprofit organization called the TiC Foundation. Before I dive into what this project entails, I would like to give an overview and the motivation behind the TiC Foundation. So TiC Foundation is a nonprofit organization that seeks to empower and inspire young people in the field of computing. We are seeking to help in the skill development and help kids to know more about technology. So the motivation is that TIC Foundation has been my dream to empower young people with computer skills. For as a young boy growing up in Accra, Ghana, I've never had a chance to experience the practical aspect of computing due to lack of computers in most schools in Ghana. From basic school to middle school to high school, I've never experienced what it is like to create a Word document in Microsoft Word, but Berea College has inspired me and empowered me with the knowledge, and I'm now in the journey to empower others in this regard. So I use a number of technologies in developing this project. I use React, which is the main framework, Node.js, which serves as my server, MySQL for my database, and GitHub for my keeping track of the project, and then CSS for styling. So I made a lot of achievements whilst working on this project. I was able to develop uh, uh, easy navigation on the website. I also created sign-up form and created a database, and also created different components and resources for students to study. So one of the technical things that I have learned in this project is that I've learned the process involved in full stack application, such as integrating front end and back end. Another technical as skill that I've learned on working on this project is how to make connection between front end and back end with a Node.js server and a validating form as well. Last but not the least, I've also learned a lot about React components and other aspects of React. And I've encountered numerous challenges, such as I didn't have any prior knowledge using React, so I have to read the documentation and research, and also how to integrate backend and frontend was a bit difficult at the end. However, I believe one thing that I learned about myself is that I believe I'm capable of doing anything once I put my mind to it. And although I did not have experience working with React, through the struggles and taking suggestions from classmates, I was able to take on this project to develop this functional, workable product. I'm very proud of how this project turned out. Although I know there's still work to be done, I believe I've laid a good foundation for future progress on the projects. Most importantly, I'm glad that I got the opportunity to take on an initiative that is special to me. Through the development of these projects, I'm hoping to change lives and contribute to societal progress. So I would like to give a demo of how this project work. So let me share my screen again to show you how it actually works. So so here's the project setup. So I have it set up this way, and then this is the various pages that I have over here. And then this is an example of one of the pages, which is the about page. And so to run this application, you first have to run the server and also build the connection to the database. And then you run npm run dev. So I'll also show you how the application actually works. So let me share the screen to where it is actually running now. So here is where it is. So the application is running on localhost, and then you click here. Actually, when you log in first, when you first come to the website, this is the home page. We have different uh, sessions that you can read about. You click here to read more. And then we also have the footer with the links are all working. And then also the social media links that you can click on to follow. We also have the about page, which is the mission statement and the vision statement. We have the executive board over here. I have myself here and other members of the board here. And I have the contact us page over here as well. When you click on this tab, it brings you to this form. So in case you want to send us message, let's say Said want to send us a message. So, or let me say, uh, uh, Berlin want to send us a message. So just click here, Berlin. Berlin's email is berlin@gmail.com. And then it say, hey, I will like know know more about TiC Foundation. So yeah, so Berlin just typed this message to us and just click send message. So as you can see, the message that been sent successfully. So you send a flash message over here. And you also have the location. This is the Google map of the location we are establishing this. And then we have as well as, so you can also do come to our commitments page. We have 4 main commitments. We have, when you hover over this, you see the commitments such as inspiring, the first commitment, inspiring tech for good. Second commitment is fostering inclusivity in tech. We also have building digital literacy. And then finally, we have empowering future innovators. We also have the donate button here. You can click there, you come to the donate page. If you, in case you want to donate to us, you click on PayPal. When you click on PayPal, it loads up and tells you to enter your email, or then when you click here, it brings you to this place. You can select the card you want to pay with, you enter the card details, and then you send the message to us. We also have a debit card in case you want to pay with debit or credit card. You click on this, and then a form pops up for you to enter the card details, which can change your location over here. We also have the city. Then after that, you can click on pay now. So basically, that's how the donation page works. Also, you can also sign up to use this app. So you click on sign up over here. So let's say that Berlin want to sign up to use this application. So I'll write Berlin. Her name is Berlin. So her name is Berlin here. Her username will be Berlin again. And then her, her, how do you call it? Her email will be berlin@gmail.com. And then the password will be Berlin. Okay, I just use the password as that. And so you just click sign up, and then brings you to a new page called the welcome, which is the profile page for Berlin. Berlin can now select the course she want to study. So you just select turn on a computer. Click select that, and then this pops up for her to go through how to turn on a computer. As I said, it's for children to learn the basics of computing. In case you want to, they also want to look at the video. I included a video here, and at the end of the lesson, they can take a quiz over here. So basically, that's how it works. So you can select any course you want to select to. Basically, right now, these are the various courses that I have. You can select any course at all you want to select and learn. And then you can also log in case you want to revisit this place again to log in. This is the login form that you can enter. So Berlin sign up. So I have to use credentials to sign in here. So Berlin email was this. So let me say I enter something, password, to see if it actually works. So I click on this. It says incorrect password because I didn't enter the correct password for Berlin. So Berlin cannot go to her profile. So when I enter the correct password, right now when I click here, when I click on login, it sends her to the profile page here. She can now select a course to study. So this is how it works. I have my database over here running on my SQL workbench. So when I want to see the sign up that Berlin did, so let me run this SQL. And so I run it this way, and then you scroll down here. And then you can see Berlin's name is here, her name is here, her username is here, her email address is here, and then her password. You cannot see the password plainly here because I hash it, so you cannot see the exact password that I wrote in the form. I also want to see her login. So let me run this SQL command here. So let me see. You can see Berlin email was here, berlin@gmail.com was here. This was her password. So basically, that's how the application works. So is that even if you are here, you want to go back to home, you can just click home, and then you come back to the home page. So basically, that's how the application works. So thank you so much for viewing, and let me know if you have any suggestions to make it better. Thank you so much.